Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to make a post shareable on Facebook. And now let's dive right in. Now to make a post shareable on Facebook, first open up your Facebook app. And before we proceed guys, in order to make a post shareable on Facebook, first we will have to create that post manually before going further. And after making a post, let's go with this is a demo post. And in your case guys, you can post anything over here, your videos, your pictures, and some backgrounds. You can do anything over here, but in order to make it shareable, tap on next at the top right corner of the screen, and you can see at the first option where it says you can see your post. Tap on there, and you need to know a thing that is any post which is public or which can be seen by everybody is shareable on Facebook. So in order to make your shareable, just tap on the public where it says the anyone on or off Facebook, and tap on done, and it will be published and it will be shareable on Facebook. But if you go with your friends or friends except or only me, that post won't be shareable. So with that being said guys, before posting, tap on the public and post it, and that post will be shareable. And there guys, this is how to make a post shareable on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment box below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.